These are the phonics sounds for level 1 intermediate. These first 4 sounds are doubles found at the end. This little dash means that these letters are found at the end of a word. These 2 S's at the end of the word make the S sound. L as in ball, F as in buff, Z as in buzz. These sounds are usually found at the beginning of words. Bruh, cruh, gruh, fruh, pruh, druh, struh, thruh, shruh, scruh, bluh, cluh, fluh, pluh, sluh, gluh, spluh, skuh, skuh, smuh, spuh, st, sn, squah, swah, twah, dwah. Again, these are found at the end of words. So this little I means that there's something in front of it. Kt, ft, nt, kst, pt, st, ulp, ulk, ulf, uld, nd, sk, sp, np, nch. That's the end of our video.